Genealogists have traditionally tracked ancestry by researching records. But what if scientists could connect you to the past through your DNA? GeneTree.com, a Salt Lake City-based website invented by James Lavoie Sorensen, is doing just that. Fox 13's Nineveh Dinha joins us for part 2 of Know Your Roots.
What does your genetic library reveal about you? The answer can only be found in your DNA. Imagine going back generations.
For whatever reason, they left that region 3,400 years ago.
And traveling back in time to 1400 BC.
We can go back hundreds and even thousands of years in the past.
All in search of finding out who you are.
I think there's something driving deep within us.
That deep burning desire is innate.
Everyone wants to feel important.
Everybody needs to know who you are at some point.
It's in your blood.
And in your mitochondrial DNA.
It's a piece of DNA that you inherited from your mother.
That small string of DNA connects you to the past.
You have a couple of very unique mutations.
And I was about to discover where I came from.
So it's a pretty exclusive group.
The key to unlocking my ancestry, this kit, which can be purchased at GeneTree.com. My DNA was sent to this lab at Sorensen, and Dr. Scott Woodward, a geneticist with GeneTree, was about to reveal my roots.
We do know something about you, and we know something about where your great-great-great-great-great-great-grandmother lived a lot of years ago. It started at the point where you come together with all of these other people in ancient Babylonia.
My parents have always told me that I'm Assyrian.
It certainly points you in the right place in the world.
GeneTree took me back more than 3,000 years.
It's somewhere between Syria and Turkey. So that's where your great-great-great-great-great-great-great-grandmother lived 3,400 years ago, probably in Turkey.
And over time, my ancestors moved.
Your family looks like it stayed in this area. And others left and went this way, probably about the time that the Ice Age retreated.
The ones that left migrated to Europe.
These people actually live in England.
So hold on, I'm not royal.
Claiming to be royalty is probably not a very unique claim. Almost everybody has some sort of line that will tie back in to royalty someplace in the past.
But my DNA profile put me in a category that connected me to Marie Antoinette, the Romanov family, and Luke the Evangelist, the same group Dr. Woodward belongs to.
You and I,
we're connected
somehow.
And that's the connection Jim Lee Sorensen, whose father created GeneTree, says we all share.
If you could show people how they were related in connecting those two together, that people might feel differently about each other.
And if we connect the dots long enough, Sorensen says,
people would realize that they're really a part of all peoples in the world.
And the proof could be in our DNA.
I think all humans are connected somehow.
I think that if you really try and go all the way back, you can find a way to really connect all of us.
For more information about genealogy, log on to our website at myfoxutah.com. In the newsroom, Nineveh Dinha, Fox 13 News, Utah.
Now, the GeneTree DNA kit costs $150, and your DNA is only used for the purposes of connecting you to your ancestors. You have control of what is publicly shown on the website, by the way. GeneTree does not share your DNA samples and the information with medical research or insurance companies.